In this video, I will introduce you to the new automatic failover system for network control and quota. I will also show you how to manually override the gateway on the ship in case of an unstable connection to the primary satellite system. First, go to Network Control. Let's start by looking at the configuration. Click on the ship you want to inspect. Here you can see a list of the configured gateways for this ship. To see the configuration, click the button to the right and Configure. Here you have three options. Initial state. Normally this is not required to be modified. Automatic testing. This turns on or off the automatic testing. Testing requires 15 to 20 megabytes per month, and for Iridium Open Port and Inmarsat Fleet broadband terminals, this is disabled by default. If this is turned off, the initial state will never be changed. Allow override. This decides if onboard staff with the manual connect permission is allowed to change the state of the satellite system. For instance, in cases where 5G systems have low coverage, it could be useful to disable it until a good connection is available to avoid the connection from going online and offline every minute. I will now allow override for Starlink to demonstrate how this is done in the ship interface. Now let's look at this from the ship staff perspective. There is now a new menu item called Connections. It is available for any user with a manual connect permission. Here you can inspect the connection status of each satellite system. The system will also show the result of the last test and the current state of any override. Note that because we disabled the automatic testing on the fleet broadband, it is not tested, but it is enabled. We can now click the slider you see here because we have allowed the Enable override for Starlink. Here we can choose how long the override should last. It could be indefinite, a month, a day, an hour, or just 30 minutes. Let's put in 30 minutes here and confirm by clicking Disable Connection. Now if we want to clear the manual override, simply click this Clear button here and confirm by clicking Clear. Now Starlink is once again back to being the primary satellite system for network control and quota. Thank you for watching this demo. Please let us know if you have any questions.